Presenting the Kia 2018 Optima LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 185 horsepower, 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth and center console, full with covered storage. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.